Hello there. My name is Jason Perkins. I'd like to welcome you to another episode in my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. I'm an attorney who specializes in handling Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos because I wanted to provide people who've been hurt at work with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits they should receive under that law. Today, I want to talk to you about how do workers' compensation adjusters decide cases. So the first question you probably want to answer to is, what is a workers' compensation adjuster? A workers' compensation adjuster works for the workers' compensation insurance company. The adjuster's role within the insurance company is to handle workers' compensation cases. So the adjuster will decide what workers' compensation benefits are paid, whether medical treatment with certain doctors is authorized, what workers' compensation cases settle for, and other things associated with a workers' compensation case. So another question you may have is, why does the workers' compensation adjuster decide your case? So the insurance company in a workers' compensation case has appointed the adjuster as the decision maker on your case when they assign the adjuster to your file. So part of the insurance company's duty when someone's hurt at work is to decide whether they're going to accept the case and pay workers' compensation benefits, or whether they're going to deny or controvert the case. So the adjuster is acting on behalf of the insurance company and making those decisions. So the adjuster is deciding whether they deny or accept your case. And if your case is accepted, the adjuster is deciding whether they pay particular benefits on your case, like weekly wage loss benefits, medical treatment, permanent partial disability benefits, and those sorts of things. Now, another thing you may wonder is, what information is the adjuster going to consider when deciding your case? So things that adjusters typically consider when making a decision about whether to accept or deny a case are information that you provide to them. So usually an adjuster will call you up or email you to take a written or a recorded oral statement about what happened to you. They're going to ask you questions about how you got hurt, what happened to you, what problems you're having, and whether you've had these sorts of problems before. The adjuster is also going to speak with your employer and find out if there were any witnesses to your injury and what those people know, whether they think you did get hurt on the job and whether your problems are from what you did at work. And the adjuster is also going to get medical information. So they're going to request records from the doctors that you've treated with and review that information. And based on all of that, they're going to make a decision about whether they accept or deny your case. Now, one question you may have in addition to that is whether you can fight the decision that the adjuster makes. So fortunately, the adjuster's decision is not final. You can fight it. If the adjuster denies your workers' compensation case or denies some particular benefits on your case, then you can choose to fight that decision. Sometimes it's a matter of presenting the adjuster with additional evidence, and the adjuster may reconsider that decision and make a different one and accept your case. On other occasions, the adjuster may not reconsider the decision, or all the evidence may have been presented and the adjuster may have still denied your case. In that situation, an attorney representing you can request a workers' compensation hearing, and you can go to court in front of a workers' compensation judge and attempt to prove your case there. And if the judge says that your case should be accepted, then the workers' compensation insurance company is going to have to pay you benefits. It's the judge that has the final decision-making capacity, not the workers' compensation adjuster. I hope you found this information on how adjusters decide workers' compensation cases helpful. If you have, please let me know that. One of the best ways you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you've got more questions about workers' compensation cases, please don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free consultation to get answers to those questions. There's two easy ways you can set that up. The first is by calling the phone number on the bottom of the screen, and the other is by reaching out to us to our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. Click on it and submit the free consultation request form there, and a member of our team will contact you to get that consultation scheduled. I'd like to thank you again for watching this video today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injuries.